Hello, my name is Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. And today I'll be showing you guys how I installed these super easy passion twists. And also I'll be answering a couple questions that I received from my last passion twist video. But before we jump into that, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. So let's jump into the video. The products I'll be using are 5 packs of crochet hair. And I'll be going more deeper into the hair in a second. So 5 packs of crochet hair, my DIY whipped shea butter, and my DIY hair growth oil. The links to both of these videos will be down in the description box below if you want to see how I made these two. My favorite, all-time favorite gel, StyleS gel, olive oil one. And then Tresemme extra hold firming mousse and their extra hold hairspray. Alright, so let's get back to the hair, because the hair is the biggest thing. Unfortunately, I cannot find this hair for sale online, but I purchased this hair from a local beauty supply store. And this is the hair. So this time I put a little bit of red in, a couple pieces of red. So African Collection X-Pression hair, Bohemian 24 inch. It's 100% Kanekalon, and it's crochet hair. But this is the pack of hair. And it was $6.99 at my local beauty supply store for each pack. I used color 1B. And then I used 1 pack of this color. This was, what is this? 1S, whatever that is. What did it say? 1S B burgundy, BG, I guess that's burgundy. 1 pack. It's the same hair, same brand, it's just the color is different. Once again, I purchased this hair from my local beauty supply store. I cannot find it online for sale, unfortunately. But if anybody can find it online for sale, please leave the link down in the comments below for anyone searching for this specific brand. And what I really like about this hair is it comes already pre-sectioned off. So after I just grab one piece out the section, I start at the end, separate one side of the end, separate the other side of the end. See how I can get a little tangle? That's why I separate the ends first. And then I go at the top and separate. Nice and smooth. That's it. If it's a little tangle, you could just cut it. So then I overlap the hair a little bit to make the hair a little longer. So the short piece stops up here, the longer piece stops right here. Again, on this side, the short piece stops right here, longer piece stops right here. So it's ready for me to start braiding. I already parted my hair. So there's no method as to how I part my hair. I try to do triangle parts. I part with the comb or with my finger. It really doesn't make a difference. I don't want my parts to be too perfect anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. To keep my hair moisturized, while it's in this protective style, I use my DIY whipped shea butter. And I'll leave the link to that video right here where I made it. Make sure I apply it throughout my whole piece of hair. Grab my gel, Style gel. Add some around the whole part, all 4 sections. And with this hair, it's too slippery for me to start with twisting. So I braid like a regular plait or braid. And I braid down maybe about 4 or 5 times, maybe 6. Okay, so I guess that's about enough. This middle section is my natural hair. So what I do with my natural hair is I just split it into 2 sections. Split it with the passion twist hair. Then I grabbed some more Eco Styling Gel. Mainly focused on my natural hair, so my hair could be nice and smooth and blend in more with the Passion Twist hair. So let me see. So I'm twisting the hair backwards, so I guess that's to my left. That makes sense. Twisting it under. And you don't have to twist it super tight. Just make sure you twist it enough so it won't unravel while you're twisting it. When my hair starts to feel dry, like I don't have any gel on my hair, I just add more gel to both sides. When you get to the end, when it starts to get raggedy, like right there, just snip it off. That's it. Grab the next section. So I'm gonna do it about a couple more times so you guys can really get to see what I'm doing again. Again, grabbing some more of my DIY whipped shea butter. Making sure my section is nice and moisturized. Separate both sides starting from the end. Then you pull the part at the top. Nice and easy. Overlap the hair again. One side is going to be longer. Than the other. Longer, a little shorter. Again, this side is longer. That side is a little shorter, just to make the hair a little longer. Alright, so let's go back in, starting with a braid or a plait. Just like you're doing a box braid. Braid the little. Say about 5 times, 5, 6 times, however many times you feel comfortable with. Again, this hair, the Passion Twist hair that I'm using, is very silky, so I braid it down further just to make sure that it doesn't slip out. And I don't mind my hair starting with a braid because you really can't tell too much, and nobody should be on your head staring at you. Did it start with a braid or a twist? It's not that serious. Now when I get down to my hair again, separate it into 2 pieces and add the Eco Styling Gel to my natural hair on both sides. And then start to twist. Again, I'm twisting left with the twist coming towards me. I think that's left. I was getting a lot of questions as to which way I was twisting my hair. So I don't think I addressed that in the other video. So the next thing I'm going to use after I'm done twisting, my Tresemme Mousse. This is extra whole. Barely have anything left in here. Put mousse on this section. All the way down. I'm going to make sure it's on the end as well. You don't want the end to unravel. Also, Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. I want to spray some of that on here as well. Make sure the twist starts staying in place. Just giving that extra layer of protection. Whew. free? No, it contains alcohol. So if you're concerned about it containing alcohol, don't use this one. Use another brand. But I don't put this on my hair every day, all day long. So spraying some hairspray on my hair once or twice a year, they're concerned about. The last step is to oil my scalp with my DIY hair growth oil, and I'll leave the link to this video, how I made it, right here. Pop the link up here and also down in the description box. So I usually oil my scalp at least twice a week. Try to. And it feels so good. Feels so good. I have tea tree in it, so it's nice and minty. It feels so good on your scalp. And that is it. Show you how long they are. They come to like right here, chest area. So now let me go into the questions that I've been asked. I used 5 packs of hair. It took me 4 hours, and I kept this style in last time for 4 weeks. That's because with me, I never keep my hairstyles in longer than 4 to 6 weeks because I get tired of it and I just want to switch my hair and change my hair up a lot. But by the end of those 4 weeks, my hair still looked pretty good. I didn't have any of my natural hair poking out or sticking out. Also, I'll leave the link to my last video right here showing you how I prep for my protective style. I did not blow dry my hair. I styled my hair on air dried hair. I stretched my hair the night before, 5-head plaits, took out the plaits, and then started braiding my hair. So my hair was air dried, stretched. No, I don't wash this hair. I do cleanse my scalp though. So if you want to see how I cleanse my scalp, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video in the next week or two showing you guys how I keep my scalp clean. But no, I don't saturate this hair in water. And if you're going on vacation, if you plan on going underwater, I would not recommend this type of hair. The only way I would recommend it if you go on vacation, if you keep your hair up, maybe you put it up and try not to get it wet. Still cute up, but at the same time, like I said, I don't know how this would go if you will wet it. Will it unravel, get knotty? Because it is, again, synthetic hair. And synthetic hair does get knotty. No, I don't have a problem with the hair unraveling. I think I'm going to say maybe 1 or 2 unraveled last time. I'm trying to look and see if any of them did because I did my hair yesterday. If I had an issue with any of them unraveling, I would just braid in. Like the whole head, the whole twist didn't unravel. Like maybe a little bit at the end. Oh, here we go. But where is this? Of course, it would be all the way in the back. Okay. So with this one, I would just do a loose braid if the hair did start to unravel. Instead of twisting again for it to unravel again, I would say maybe 5 plaits or 5 twists unravel. It wasn't a huge amount. So I'll just lightly braid it all the way towards the end. And you can't even tell. Let me show you. Real light. On the end, twist it up at the end. And put them all together. This is the one that's braided. Mix it in with the other hair and you can't even tell. This hairstyle was super lightweight. Yes, I wore it up in a bun. It was easy to manage. All I did was stuck my hair under a bonnet or grab one of my big scarves to sleep at night. My huge satin scarf. And then just tie it around like this. No, like how you tie your hair at night. I went to sleep like this. I think I answered most of the questions. Again, I have no problem with answering any questions you may have. So go ahead, feel free to leave them down in the comments below if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you next time. Bye.